We're now going to load a Lube Shuttle cartridge into a Lube Shuttle grease gun. So a Lube Shuttle cartridge is different to a standard grease cartridge in that there's a threaded connection at the top of the grease cartridge. So the easy way and the simple way to load a Lube Shuttle grease cartridge into a gun is to unscrew the cap, push your finger or thumb up the base of the cartridge. There's a follower plate in the inside of the cartridge, so you can also see the quantity of grease that's left in the cartridge. So you can see that there's grease now standing proud of the top of the cartridge. And very simply, you insert the grease cartridge into the gun and screw it in. One of the things that you will realise with the ROCOL Lube Shuttle cartridge, we've put the name of the product, the name of the grease, and the NSF registration code and category all around and visible on the Lube Shuttle cartridge. So this is a fully auditable system for the food industry. And again, you can also see the quantity of grease that's left in the cartridge before you go and apply the grease. And this grease gun is now ready to use. Remember, whilst applying grease, if you only want to apply half a pump of grease, if you only do from the base, no grease will come out. You need to fully extend the handle of the grease gun to start dispensing grease. So to only get half a pump, fully open the grease gun handle and do half a pump from there. If you only do it from closed, no grease will come out.